Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how I prepare my potting mix. Half of this bag in there. It's the organic, all natural potting mix. And I put dry washed crushed eggshells. I have here, the eggshells are good for calcium, and the coffee grounds, they're good for feeds your plants. It also helps, you're adding organic matter, and that's really good for your plants. And here I have coffee grounds and ripped up coffee filters. They're the unbleached brown coffee filters. There. And I'm gonna put vermiculite. It's good for moisture. It gets really dry here in New Mexico. And so I put maybe a cup in there. And perlite, it's good for drainage, and so the roots don't rot and it drains well. Put like a cup in there, cup and a half, and then I just mix it all together. So good. And now I'm gonna pour the other half of the bag in there. And just put the rest of the shells in there. And do more of the perlite. Like one more cup of that, and like a cup of this. And I just mix it really well. So I have the pot here, these two pots that I got at Home Goods on clearance for good price. And these are the ones that I'm going to pot some of my annuals. And this is how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to put this here. I can use that as a little stand to prop my pots. I'm going to be adding bone meal in the pot before I plant. And I do just a little, like a handful. In. I'm going to be adding to this pot the Super Bells Magic Double Grapefruit Calabricoa from Proven Winners. And also going to be adding the Riopi Muscati, and I'm going to be using just half of this plant and I'll cut it in half because there is half. I mean, there's like 2 little plants here. I'm going to use that one's going to go here, and then the alyssum, put one of each on each side. It's so pretty with that color combination because this flowers like a light purple. I fertilize it with this small coat tea plus this one right here, and I just do like this cup full, not totally full, but just like this. Like that. And it says here every 6 months, but I do it like every month, and then just spray it and add it all around and mix it. Now give it a good soak, really good soak all around. Make sure you get all the little plants. And let's give it one more. Okay. The Super Bells, Calabricoa, alyssum on both sides, and the Liriope muscati. And the Liriope muscati, I think in late summer, it's when it blooms a little like purple, light purple flower. So it's gonna look beautiful. The color, I love the color. Look at this. Look, it's double grapefruit. It's like a peachy with yellow or like pink. Oh, it looks beautiful. Look at this one over here. This one's, see? Oh, I love it. They look like little roses. So here it is. 2 pots planted up. This one. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know what combinations you're coming up for this season. Thank you.